Let's dive into the world of follicular unit extraction, or FUE, which is just one of a few methods available for restoring your hair. The process begins with harvesting individual hair follicles from the donor area, usually located at the back of the sides of the scalp. Each individual follicle is carefully extracted using an advanced microtool, ensuring precision and minimal discomfort. At the very center of the scalp, we can harvest anywhere from 1,000 individual hair grafts to approximately 2,500. This is in one sitting. Once all of these hair follicles have been separated and processed, they're then implanted into your pre-planned donor sites. Here's where artistry meets science. The placement is done to mimic your natural growth patterns, ensuring a seamless and authentic appearance. Now, one of the greatest advantages of the FUE procedure is the pattern can be scattered over a large surface area, and therefore if you're wearing your hair very short, it's difficult to see where the wounds have been made. Most patients can return to work or their regular activities usually within a week. After the procedure, the new hair follicles will usually settle and begin to grow as they would normally. With proper aftercare and patience, you'll start seeing noticeable results at approximately 6 months, with your final results settling in approximately 12 to 18 months. So whether you're looking to add to receding areas or add a bit of density, FUEs is one of the most effective methods in restoring or getting back to your true hair.